This video shows how to set up an unlocked MG1 ECU using a Maptuner Nano. When ordering an unlocked MG1 ECU, you have two options. Send in your original ECU and receive an unlocked one, or use our exchange service. Pay a refundable deposit, receive an unlocked ECU immediately, and return your original ECU for a refund. We stock all types of unlocked MG1 ECUs for instant delivery. The ECU location may vary by model. The setup process is the same for all Maptuner models and MG1-equipped vehicles. Start with the original ECU installed. Connect the Maptuner Nano and add the vehicle. The device stores all essential vehicle data. Select the tuning file that matches your setup. Remove the original ECU and install the unlocked one. Go to the programming section and flash the file. During the first flash, all vehicle-specific data is automatically transferred to the unlocked ECU. Setup is complete. Beyond performance optimization, Maptuner also supports a wide range of diagnostic functions, making it a powerful tool for both tuning and troubleshooting.